Turn any room into a mini theater with the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Smart Projector. With sharp visuals, built-in apps, and easy setup, it's perfect for movies, gaming, and binge nights. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Smart Projector. Remote control, HDMI cable. Power cable and user manual. Product overview. Remote overview. How to use. Set up your entertainment quickly with the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Smart Projector. Simply place it on a flat surface, connect the power cable, and turn it on. Adjust the focus ring on the side or top of the projector until the image is crisp and clear. If the screen appears distorted, use the manual Keystone correction to straighten it perfectly. Take a moment to fine-tune both settings to achieve the best possible viewing experience. How to connect. Go to Homepage greater than My Apps, greater than Screencast. Activate the multi-screen/smart view/wireless display function on your Android device. Choose EAZZE PRJ from the list. Connect the projector and your phone to the same Wi-Fi, or use your phone's hotspot. Go to My Apps, open App Assistant, download Screen Share, then launch it. On your iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select EAZZE_PR. Once connected, your screen will instantly appear on the projector. Go to Homepage greater than My Apps, greater than BT Speaker, to make the projector ready for a BT connection. Access your mobile device's BT settings and activate BT. Search for EAZZE_PRJ in the available devices list to pair your mobile device with the projector. Smart features. Enjoy instant autofocus and sharp images. With 4-point Keystone correction, plus auto obstacle avoidance and screen alignment, the picture always fits perfectly, no matter the projector's position or screen size. Enjoy deep, immersive audio with crisp, powerful sound that fills the room, making every movie, game, or show on the Aurzen D1 Smart Projector a truly captivating experience. HDR10 boosts contrast and color, making bright scenes brighter and dark scenes deeper. Combined with native 1080p Full HD resolution, every movie, game, or photo looks sharp, detailed, and incredibly vibrant. Aurzen EAZZE D1 Portable Mini Projector offers a robust and versatile connectivity experience with faster speeds, reduced interference, and improved audio quality with dual-band 5G/2.4G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It supports two-way Bluetooth 5.1, letting you use it as a standalone speaker, or connect to headphones, speakers, or soundbars for enhanced audio anywhere, anytime. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Smart Projector from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Aurzen EAZZE D1 Smart Projector. See you in the next one.